So this is the base plate, heavy duty base plate. This is the one that comes with the premium kit. It's an 18 by 18 and they hold up to 18 pounds. Now these holes is there for different reasons, right? But if you're doing a backdrop, you always are going to use the middle hole. Why? Because it evenly distributes the weight of your backdrop. In order for you to be safe, in order for it to not tumble and all that stuff, you always want to use the center. However, if you're doing perimeter draping or you're draping a wall or whatever the case may be, if you're draping a wall, you want to use the one closest to the wall. Only if you want it to be flush against the wall. So if you don't want it to, you know, like have that depth from the wall, use the one closest to the wall. If you're going to the corner, you know, you're doing perimeter, you're going to the corner, you want to use that corner hole. That way you can be flush in the corner. Only time it would be different, you see these sconces or light with fixtures, something like that, you would use the center because you need that depth so that it would clear that. Or you may have a TV on the wall or a fire hydrant. This is the stuff you want to look for when you're doing a site visit. You don't want to go home and map out your design like, oh, and some of you may have teams and you may say, okay, well, go set that up over there, but put it in the hole close to the wall. Then you get over there and your fabrics, you can see TVs and all that stuff. So this is the, who said something about saving time? Why you laughing? Right. So when you talked about that saving time, setup time, when you're going to do a site visit, that's the main stuff you want to look for. You want to look for exit signs. You want to look for fire hydrants. You want to look for anything that you possibly got to cover up. And if you're doing perimeter draping, let's just say in this room, that door, this door, that's stuff that you want to look for because you want to have to map it out in your design. Not only map it out in your design, but it's also going to save you equipment. Because if they just give me the dimensions, oh, well, hey, this is a 60 by 50, mentally, I'm going to calculate and price it 60 by 50. But they're going to save about 8 feet, and for some, you know, for budget-wise, that's a chunk of change that they could save. They also, right here, could save about 4 feet, right? So that's the stuff. You need to know your dimensions, but you also need to know what you're not covering. You need to know what any kind of obstructions. Some of these venues, especially now because due to COVID, a lot of people are going to those cheaper venues, right? Because they're not really following all the regulations, but it's kind of good for us because what we got to do. So guys, if you liked the video that you just saw, guess what? You can click either one of these videos below to get even more tips, tricks, and resources, right? But don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell so you can get the notifications so you know every Tuesday and Thursday when I upload a new video. Stay tuned, be blessed, and again, share this video. Have anything you'd like to see specifically? Put it down below in the comments and I'll be sure to get it on the schedule.